Apesena nyezderai karito monauni bon ida jaito mana polis ngina CPS Moroto anodamo ta ingara kino akalo na uria kake ebuinikinio edukone elomniti peseno temu katike kile o Moroto district ida balebe ikeuria kake zda poti jauta kituka kanyeuni aneda jepolon loda koto aimanya nyesi eka oloke abwe polon lo ijuki kilioko loda potu o potu dokwa na buori nyesi ta miara nyeuno alostebuke kiliokit.
She's here because of forced marriage, that she was forced to marry an elderly man. She was got at home. A group of men came, found her at home, armed with sticks. They beat her. When she stood there and asked them, "Why you did to me?" They just started beating her.
Ido mifumi eriongete loda ya itino haiti jamu moto manokalia nyesida boruru kayuari peseyen.
We brought these girls to the GBV shelter, of course with the support of the district officials like the CDO and so. We got these girls here, we took them for medical examination.
Everestilo itakoi lodere coordinator lo mifumi nyesida balebe epwakata kopekwa na imusagono lude pone kalum iboreda imara kinti nyesi batunzi na ipol erainide jasinu noshola Eroko kolo karamoja.
Actually the cases of forced marriage are very prevalent in this area and more so behind the mountain here where the law seems not to be reaching, I can say, where the police are foremost, but they are always there. But the big challenge about this community is that they have a strong grip on their culture.
Ido Simon Nangiron lode yaita tukoto na ada ipolok nyesda balebe araide cha mutos kese inono loda ikilo kaibwa isiola ngoro kitui mamu kesi gangi tosi ngunu loda itosoma ita torobu o mameda cha manara.
Criminal approach. Because we don't know your health and you're there to handle somebody's daughter in that state. And then on top of that, I must force you to be my wife. These days, it's about talking. But again, our way of engagement is not in such a way that any woman you get, you just attack her. It's a process. The girl you are engaging takes time. You don't just engage her 1-2 weeks, no. It takes even 2-3 years. So it is that time that she shows a signal that I think we can be together. But for a girl to tell you, let's have it, for us it's not there.
Na nyezda yata itida abonebe ijongo ni loda ikamuno iswamai no mamuda ichamanara nyezda eponi ya itoria tomano kisila loda atekere.
You are forced to pay 60 cows. You must pay. If it's not then you will pick from your clan people. So that's another deterrent, because why must you force somebody's child? That one is punishable. But traditionally for us, police doesn't solve issues, because we take you to police, you will be in prison, but that damage is not addressed. You're just having a prison sentence. Yet the other one, the traditional one, you've lost the animals, at least there is something that goes to the parents.
Konyedo Franka Mugabi lodere raban le riongete ngolo kajenda nyezda balebe araideja sakiro nuda inonosho ejoko kwa na areje utosape nwa keriana ritomana police alimono repone akiroka no patana kwa na ipiko rationze na nede jasi polo.
That shows you the confidence that the community is having within the system. If the young girls are able to run towards the police, run to other service providers like Mifumi with the GBV shelter, it's a sign of confidence in the system, and that is very critical to managing cases of GBV in this region.
Hido OCCID otomana Moroto CPS nyiloma mda koto ike kirora ike una enare mame chama itanyese eneri kidangunulu iye muto nyezda bala bekopekwa na imusagona kaisa kanyalu wongon kesi da adomu tu kesi nyanyono otomano la palo sodit ito nilo itomontaro ukarulo iluku mnyere kida kaisara lundiope hido otomano musagona lo itomonango no bon kesi da port keso pedo sare Moroto mana dieket. Godfred Eroko TV East Moroto.